guys, this is Anna T with you, and today you will see the hugest anti-stress toys. This box with anti-stress toys is delivered to me from China, specifically from the website New Chic. In general, here I've got some really huge squishes. I can't wait to see them, so let's quickly open the parcel. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Wow, what a huge strawberry! And how it smells, it's simply unreal. It's understandable that in such a giant toy the smell is more saturated than in ordinary squishy. This strawberry squishy literally laying here on the table for just a couple of minutes and the entire room is filled with its smell. It feels like the material here is softer than these toys, but maybe it's because of the large size. Personally, I really like this strawberry squishy, and I hope that the next anti-stress will also be cool like this. By the way, I ordered another strawberry, just a bit smaller one, with a gradient color. This is much cheaper than the previous one, but in any case, all the huge squishes are quite expensive. Well, on the website this strawberry squishy is also available in more different colors. Well, you don't think that this is a real volleyball, although it's difficult to distinguish it from the real one until you take it in your hand. It's super soft. By the way, in my childhood, I loved to play volleyball. I remember how we all friends used to gather in a courtyard and play till night. But you can't play with this ball, although you can't beat a couple of times, but I think it will be cool to prank your friends if you just take it and squeeze it like this. I'm sure that they will be shocked and won't understand what is happening, whether you are so powerful or something is wrong with the ball. And now we are really moving to the hugest anti-stress. We've got two halves of watermelon and an orange. Well, we've definitely seen real watermelon of such size, but I'm sure that such huge orange doesn't exist. The most what I like about these anti-stress toys is the fact that they actually smell what they are made of. Like this orange has got the smell of citrus. Just like me, you would be also interested to know how much such anti-stresses toy weight and which one is the heaviest. Well, I'll not guess because I held everything in my hands, but I'm giving you the opportunity to guess. Write in the comments what do you think is the heaviest of all and what its weight, and in the end of this video we'll find out who was right. The next squishy will be smaller than the rest, but still it's somewhat big. It's a blue diamond. It certainly doesn't shine and doesn't have such a crazy price value as a real one, but the very idea of making a diamond as a soft anti-stress is really successful. Also on the website, except blue diamonds, you can buy a pink one as well. And here we complete our parcel unpacking with one of the strangest anti-stress squishy. I still can't understand what it is. At first I thought it's a croissant, then I thought it's a chicken leg, but at the end I couldn't able to decide. In the website the seller has mentioned its name chicken drumstick bread, which is in my opinion sounds even stranger. Now let's return to the question about which of these anti-stress is the heaviest. I think it wasn't difficult to guess that the strawberry, orange and watermelon are the heaviest because they are larger in size than the others. But the weight of all these three anti-stresses is the same, exactly half a kilogram each. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye!
Blah, blah.